Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your video and a text editor or subtitle app so you can work side by side. This saves constant switching. Load the video and confirm the frame rate because timing depends on it. If wrong, subtitles drift. Create your first SRT entry immediately. Number 1, a time range in hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and the text line. Once done, play the short segment to verify the timing and get comfortable adding entries in sequence. You should now focus on precise timing and readable text so viewers can follow easily. Split dialogue into short lines and avoid crowding. Use millisecond timestamps to align with speech and pause slightly longer for scene changes. While typing, read aloud to match natural rhythm and use 2 or 3 lines maximum per entry. Once you spot overlap or long display times, trim text or shift times by 200-500 ms. You finish by reviewing the entire video with subtitles on, scanning for drift, timing gaps, and typos. This reveals consistent issues that only full playback shows. Export or save the file as UTF-8 and name it to pair with the video if required by players. If lines overlap or vanish, check for malformed timestamps or incorrect separators and correct them. When problems persist, revert to a recent save and reapply changes in smaller batches to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.